Hey Richard, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's going to be anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see about 1,500 words on the home page of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So my suggestion with your website would definitely be to get some more content added on. We of course want to appease Google by having those 1,500 words, but also those keywords that I mentioned are a huge component, and that'll help out a tremendous amount when you're trying to get ranked on Google. So next up will be citations, and citations have a lot to do with this section. This is called the map pack. And a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those sorts of details. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here. So moving on to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other cleaning companies that send something back to your site, and that will signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful as well as more unique in Google's eyes. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So currently there's not anything that's registering for your site, but here's one of the top competitors. So they have 1.48 thousand referring domains, giving them 78.2 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 27.6 thousand keywords, and all of these things are driving about 20.4 thousand people to that website, and that's just per month. So let's take a look at the keywords that they're using, and hopefully I can give you some examples of what good ones would be. Let's see, so here's a perfect one. Cleaning services, Jacksonville, FL. So this is a great one because it's listing the service or industry, but then they're listing a specific location that they're trying to target. Now you can target multiple different locations. You just want to make sure that you're sticking to your service area. That way, when someone locates you in the search results, they're still able to actually use your services because you are close enough to them. And it looks like they're targeting all kinds of different places. So that's certainly something to keep in mind. But with the keywords, you just really want to have those two components, the service or industry, and then that location. And I will not bore you and have us go through all of these, but I do hope it at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into the content on your site. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are, but also, as I mentioned earlier, making sure that you're always adding on to that. That way you are far surpassing your competitors, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Richard. I do hope that this video was helpful, and if you would like more information about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.